What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. This is Victoria Elise, and today we are making the Taco Bell chicken quesadilla. Let's get into it. Let's start with our seasoning. We got some adobo going on our chicken thighs. I have about 6 or 7 chicken thighs on the plate. Here comes some cumin, and I'm just seasoning these to cover the top. I'm also later gonna flip them over and also do the same thing to the other side. Here goes some garlic, just evenly seasoning over the top of it. Some onion. You can also use onion powder instead. It's whatever you have in your cabinet. Can't forget that Creole seasoning. And after I've done the back side, I'm just going to mix them all together, make sure that they are seasoned fully, and set them to the side. Now we're going to put together our chipotle mix. Here comes a 1/4 cup of mayo. We got some green chilies going in here. You can use pickled jalapenos, totally up to you. Here comes some cumin, some smoked paprika, some garlic, some more onion powder going in there, some white pepper. You can use black pepper as well, a little bit of sugar. Now we're going to quickly cut to our chicken. We're putting this in the air fryer, evenly spacing them out. I set my air fryer to about 400, spraying it with some oil so it can get extra crispy on the outside. And we're going to cook those chicken thighs until they get to 165 degrees. Back to our chipotle sauce, just giving that a good mix. I want to get those jalapenos just chopped down to nothing. Throwing in some sweet heat pickles, y'all. It's a game changer with a little bit of juice. Getting that mixed down, and there is our beautiful, delicious sauce. Checking on that chicken, just giving it a little flip in between, and gonna spray it down again just so it keeps that crunchiness on the outside. It's looking good. Now we're gonna grate our cheese. I have some cheddar cheese, and I also have some Monterey Jack. Once you got enough cheese, we're gonna put that to the side. Here is our lovely, lovely chicken thighs. Smelling delicious, looking delicious. Those are going on the cutting board just to get them chopped down into bite-sized pieces. Here we are with our cast iron skillet, getting some butter down there for our tortilla to go on top. Just rubbing around, soaking up that butter. Gonna do it on the other side as well. Once I have that tortilla to my liking, I'm gonna start adding both of our cheeses on one side. In goes a good amount of chicken. Cannot forget to add that chipotle sauce as well. Giving it a good smudge on the side. Folding it in half. And down goes some more cheese on the side. Once the tortilla has cooked to your liking on both sides, this is the last part we're gonna do. Put that cheese down, let it cook a little bit. Flip that tortilla right there on top of it. Let it cook. Be patient, because if you turn this over too fast, the cheese is not gonna be on the tortilla the way you want it. So I'm just playing with it a little bit, giving it a little love. Looking carefully, boom, baby. That's what we want right there. That crispy, yummy cheese on the outside. Look at how golden and beautiful that is. It is done. Y'all hear that? Ooh, crisp. We done, y'all. This is the Taco Bell chicken quesadilla made at home, my way. So delicious, so easy, a crowd pleaser. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like, leave me some love in the comments, and until next time, y'all, bye.